Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to connect Outlook Mobile to PC. You don't actually connect Outlook on your phone to your PC the way you would with a cable. It's more like they quietly sync in the background once everything lines up. When I set this up, I just opened Outlook on my phone, then went over to my PC and signed into Outlook using the same exact email account. That's really the key part. The moment both devices are using the same account and are connected to the internet, everything just starts syncing emails, folders, calendar events, even contacts. It almost feels instant, like the two devices already know each other. If you want to take it a step further, especially on Windows, you can use the Phone Link app to mirror notifications, which is great if you hate checking your phone every few minutes. But honestly, even without that, Outlook already does most of the work for you. Quick tip, if things aren't syncing, double check you didn't accidentally log into a different account. It happens more often than you'd think. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.